So you've made some masks and now the elastic is bothering your ears. What do? Well, you can make a sliding knot to allow the ear loops to be adjusted. That makes it smaller, that makes it bigger. Same thing here. This one has a little elastic here, and the sliding knot allows it to be adjusted. Let me show you how to do that. Start with a loop, and we're going to make our knot so that it slides up and down here. Now you can make these knots go different directions. I'll show you a few different options. For this one, we're going to start with our working end here, and we're going to work that direction. So first we'll make 3 loops. 1, 2, 3. Then you're going to take your working end and feed it back through those 3 loops. And gently pull it through so that it looks like this. Now this is all very loose. And now you need to tighten it. While you're tightening, you need to watch your knot to make sure that you don't lose one of your loops. So I'm sliding it back there, making sure that I can still see these 3 loops and these starting and ending loops. I'm tightening it. And eventually, you can tighten it, and then you can slide it like that. So that's version 1. Now I'm going to undo it and I'll show you version 2. Our first one started with a loop like this. Now I'm going to start with a loop like this. And we're going to work the loops going that way. So we're going to start by going around 3 times. 1, 2, 3, and we come up and we're going to then feed the rope back underneath all of those like that, and then very carefully keep all those in the place where you want them and start tightening from both ends. I'm pulling a little here, I'm pulling a little there. I'm checking that it's staying wrapped. Once it's tight, it'll stay in place, but when it's loose, it doesn't. Pull a little here, a little there, a little here. Sometimes you can just pull the whole thing over. There we go. And there you have it, a sliding knot. Now I can slide it. Slide it that way, slide it that way.